Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the passion twist with the rubber band method. So what I started to do was I just sectioned off my hair. This makes it a lot more easier when it comes to rubber banding the hair. And I really just wanted to make sure that I focused on that because the back part of my hair is always the hardest and the front part is usually pretty easy. So in the front, I just used a rat tail comb, and I really wanted to focus on moisturizing my hair. It's going to be locked away in the style, so I just want to make sure that there is enough moisture and my hair doesn't get dry underneath. So once I part it, I usually go in with edge control. I use the easy edges. I find that one allows my hair to get really hold my hair, especially when it's growing out, and it doesn't leave any flakes. I also add moisture to my rubber bands. It helps with the non-slip, and when I'm removing it, I find that I do not lose any hair at all. I know some people complain about it, but I don't usually have a problem with hair loss when I do this method. So I'm just going to go through, and I've completed all of the boxes. I'm doing it in fast time, but I just wanted to show you how it looks before I started to install the hair. So I'm going to drop the exact details about the hair that I used in the comments below, and if you have any questions, please make sure that you let me know. So the hair that I decided to use was the Freetress water wave hair. I find that this one makes the curl pattern really soft, and the hair is also extremely easy to separate. Like, you can see how easy it is for me to do that, and the curl doesn't really get messy, so it's pretty easy to come back together once I use a bit of edge control on my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just continue to separate it for a bit, and then I'm going to use my crochet latch hook to install it into the hair. So it's pretty simple. You usually just push it through your hair, you connect it, and then once you slide it through the hair, then you can create one loop with it. After I create one loop, I slide the hair through it, and it's pretty easy to do. Once you tighten it like this, it will stay in its place. I then use the edge control to separate the hair into two, just so it blends better, and I just begin to twist down the braid. Just to show you how it looks, it's usually pretty neat, and I do it slightly tighter because as I let go, it's going to get a bit looser. I'm just going to continue to go down and show you how it looks. I know a bit of it is out of frame, but it's just for you to get a gist as to how to twist it down, and at the end I usually just curl it, and I just repeat this step throughout all of the braids. So this is the end result. It was very fast. I would say that this took me about 4 hours to do, and that was with me stopping a bit, but this is just a gist, and I hope that you like the end result. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below.